Hi, this is Adrian Koh, a property analyst from Here to Win. Choose the winning property with us. Government has once again sprung a surprise at 12 a.m. last night and announced several cooling measures with the core intention to sustain the property market, especially in the HDB sector. I believe you may have read the news or heard from some of my colleagues what are the new measures. I personally would like to touch on how these measures will affect the market moving ahead. In my opinion, the most absurd measure is the one that private property seller or previous private property seller cannot buy a HDB immediately. This is an impactful move by the government to bring down HDB prices and ensure it remains affordable. What this essentially means is that private owners below the age of 55 are left hanging if they previously intended to purchase a HDB after their condo sales. This group of buyers can only look at HDB 50 months later, and I think that this will be a very impactful thing for them as they need to start renting or have to go towards a condo instead. So, how will this affect the market? Number 1, HDB market. The previous cooling measures in December 2021 left little to no impact towards the HDB sector. Unfortunately, the cooling measure this time round will impact the HDB market greatly, especially towards the higher quantum HDB. Moving forward, we expect $1 million HDB transactions to be less heard of. If you don't already know, most of the $1 million HDB were purchased by private property downgrader as they have the financial ability from their after sales. On a positive note, this will reduce competition for existing HDB buyers and owners that are looking to upsize. I like to believe that there will be a stronger demand for 4-room HDB since they are the bigger size a buyer whom is above 55 can opt for. The pool of buyers will also reduce significantly. This will cause HDB price to drop as well, and this will align with the government aim to keep HDB affordable. If you are currently holding on to HDB, I believe we are already at the peak of this cycle and should start to see downward, and moving forward, the price index will start to drop. Please note that the above measure will not affect first-timer of HDB with low quantum as they have grant to work with too. Number 2, the private market. As the measures were announced suddenly and leaving the consumer with no time to react, most resale sellers that are looking to purchase a HDB may pull off their sale and reconsider their plan or might not sell at all. There will be lesser private resale units in the market and transaction volume for the next 2 quarters will eventually see a drop. With lesser units available for sale in the market, this will result in a higher demand from both HDB upgraders and initial condo downgraders who are now forced to buy private property instead. There will be a stronger demand for newly MOP EC and lower quantum condos that are around 1 to 1.5 million, stemming from the factor of affordability and private owners that are left hanging than unable to purchase their HDB unit. It will also be more challenging for en bloc project to achieve 80% approval as there are owners that are unable to downgrade to HDB now. This owner might only take action and sign should the selling price turn out to be very attractive, but this will in turn cause higher growth in private property price index and future new launch price. Overall, private property price will continue to remain strong, causing a huge gap between HDB and private price index. Number 3, the EC market. There will be a slower take-up rate for upcoming new EC project. The ultra-high net worth EC buyer who have a combined household income of 16,000 will only be able to borrow about 1 million. This will equal to about 1.33 million on a full loan. The new ECs are priced at about 1,003 to 1,004 PSF. This will work out to be about 1,000 square feet for a 3-bedroom unit. Now the big question is, who might be the one buying the 4-bedroom unit? Truly, the EC market will be taking a hit. Number 4, the rental market. There will be a further increase in demand for rental as some private owners will be forced to rent during this period. HDB rent will soar since downgraders that do not want to pay more will settle for HDB rent just to tide through this period. With more than 10,000 POP units that will be released into the market next year, it was initially predicted that the rental demand will start to slow down. However, the increment in supply will not be too significant in this short run. With these cooling measures coming into play, the demand for private rental will likely continue to remain strong. This is my opinion on how the market will fare moving forward. Our government's main objective is to keep public housing affordable, and private property will need to have a significant price gap so to set itself apart from HDB. similar to the price gap between condo versus landed. Once again, I'm Adrian Koh. Do follow me for more interesting updates on Singapore real estate. See you.